Let me show you this amazing vacuum storage bag. It comes with a compact box like this, and inside you will find the reusable vacuum bag and small powerful air pump. What's the great is the bag is completely waterproof and super durable, so it's not perfect for travel, but also for outdoor use, like camping or hiking. Now, when the jacket is fully compressed, look how small the bag is. It fits easily into my suitcase with plenty of space left for other things. Using this vacuum bag is really helps you save space and pack more, especially for long trips or even traveling light. Highly recommended.